Wasayati. That's how are you? That's Tlingit. And for how are you? Saha, that's my Tlingit name. We're over here up at You Break It, We Fix It up in Everett. So this is my laptop. I brought it in because I do business with my laptop. I have like 804 YouTube videos. And so earlier, you'll take a look at my other video that I just did before this one. And bought this jersey just down the street over here on 41st and Rutger there. There's a guy selling merchandise. And so we stopped by and visited there, picked this up. Now, I've got the drum here. I'm an artist as well. Fred Fulmer, nativeart.com. So this is a Seahawks 12 drum. There's 12 segments painted around there, representing the 12s. And so this is going to get more to it for the Super Bowl. So anyways, I'm glad to come up here. We support local business. You break it, we fix it. It was broken, they fix it. So I'm looking forward to going home and using it. So I'm going to go ahead and drum this so you can hear this. Ho, ho, see, 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 ho, That's Sasquatch. It's going to be a necklace medallion. So that's a Sasquatch Hawks fan right there. Kaasteen.